Once again, so in today's video I am going to show you how to buy or sell coin using your Telegram wallet. Now this is my Telegram wallet. So when you come to your Telegram wallet, you click on P2P market. When you click on P2P market, it's either you buy or you sell. So if you are buying, you will click on buy. If you are selling, you click on sell. They are the same method. We are using the same method here. So if you know how to buy, you definitely know how to sell your coin. So pay attention to this video. I'm going to show you how to buy your buy coin on your Telegram wallet. So let me click on buy. So when you come to buy, you can see we have on the upper side we have different options. Then we have all verification, we have NGN, which is naira currency. You can see you can change your currency here. So currently I'm using NGN, which is my country's currency. So you can see crypto. Now these are the cryptos that you can buy and the ones you can sell. Look at them here. These are the cryptos. So sorry about that. So let's go back. So these are the cryptos. So in this video I'm going to buy let me buy Dogecoin. Let me buy Dogecoin. So now this is Dogecoin. These are the various prices. Now these are the different traders in the market. These are the different traders we have in the market. So I am going to buy from one of these traders. You can see the limit of this trader is 10,000 to 156,000 naira. So if you are buying from this trader, you must have up to 10,000. Now this other person, the limit of this other person is 1,600 naira. You can see the trade that this person has completed. He has completed 95% of his trade. This other person is selling at 1,600 and he has completed 100% of his trade. So I am going to go for the second person, which is a huge giant. So I will buy from this person. So I'm going to pay this person 1,600. That's what I'm going to pay him for this answer. So I'm paying him 1,600. You can see that's his limit. So this 1,600 will give me you will see the number of Dogecoin that it will be converted to Dogecoin. So definitely it's going to convert. So this person now, the payment method he uses is PalmPay. So I'm going to pay to his PalmPay. So when I click on buy, you will see it is going to bring out an option. So because of this video, I am not going to show this person's detail. So with that amount of coin, 1,600 is going to give me 1,700 dog coin. So that's the amount is going to give me 1,700 dog coin. You can see it over here. So I will click create order. So when I click on create order, it's going to bring out the person's detail, and I am going to be given a particular time to pay this money. So the person have not accepted the order. Once the person accept the order, it's going to be placed. So